Hello everyone, welcome back to the Daily Dose. I'm Dr. Lance Garrison. I'm a psychologist with a background in health psychology and behavioral medicine, and I'm Dean for the College of Professional Psychology at the Chicago School. The Daily Dose is really my attempt at sharing insights about the way we think, the way we feel, and what opportunities we might have to make adjustments for an overall better life. So thank you for joining me. Have you ever paused to consider the way that you talk to yourself? I know for me, I spent many years proudly stating that no one's going to be harder on me than I am on myself. And unfortunately, what that meant for me was often a brutal, derogatory, disappointed, and at times just downright mean internal dialogue. What did I get from that? Well, I'm not going to go into it too deeply here, but I will tell you that approach engendered a lot of difficult feelings over the years and at times even a broken self-esteem. Now, I wish I could say that I was unique in speaking down to myself, but being a psychologist has taught me otherwise. It's taught me that it's far too common. And again, what does speaking to ourselves in this way really get us? Just imagine for a moment that you spoke to your friends and family the way you speak to yourself. How would they feel about that? How long would they stick around being spoken to that way? Our internal dialogue has a profound impact on our self-esteem and our overall well-being. And yet so many of us are so quick to criticize ourselves, to focus solely on our shortcomings rather than the real strengths that we have. Rather than encouraging ourselves forward to growth, what do? We break ourselves down from the inside out. And that's just not good, healthy, or productive. But what if we flip that script? What if we chose to be kind to ourselves? What if we chose to offer ourselves words of encouragement and support? Now, we need to continue to hold ourselves accountable to our values and our principles and our expectations, but we can do so in a much more constructive and productive way. And that's through being more positive with ourselves, because positive self-talk is a powerful tool for boosting our self-esteem, for cultivating a positive mindset. And it does so by recognizing a fundamental truth. Hey, we all fall short on our journey, but what we need to do is get back up and get back on track. So we can say things to ourselves like, hey, that probably wasn't the best decision, but you're going to be all right. You got this. I believe in you. What's our next step? And when we do that, we keep the focus affirming and forward focused. So the next time you catch yourself being overly critical or too hard on yourself, I want you to pause and I want you to ask yourself, would I talk this way to my friends? Let's strive to be our own best friends, to speak to ourselves with kindness and compassion and encouragement. Because when we give ourselves love and respect, we're setting the foundation for a happier and a healthier life. As always, thanks for watching. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone else who deserves to be more kind to themselves, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, remember, you can be your own best friend.